going ahead with the actual content and actual discussion of the technical. So let's introduce ourselves. So yeah, so Yogesh, can you tell about yourself? Like what are you doing? What's your background?
Yeah, hi sir. Good evening. My Actually, I'm working in CTS. 3 years experience,
Okay.
and yeah, I'm working as a working in a IT support team, but we are working with the user access team as well. Like we are managing the access part and the passwords. Some base from installation part, single sign-on and all.
All right.
Not fully worked in the mainstream, but on the basic part we are working on that. But yeah, like actually we are working according to the SOP, so we don't have the exact knowledge and in-depth knowledge in SAP.
All right.
So we are looking for the what's the in-depth knowledge in that. So
Uh,
I'm working. I need to working on the mainstream SAP security and GRC.
good. Good. Good.
So
Yeah.
yeah,
So good that you have some at least knowledge about that and the SAP, what is SAP and how it looks like. But yeah, definitely we'll go through that so that you will have entire knowledge about technical and why we are doing it. Yeah.
yeah. So like if I get to knowledge, I need from basic level also, because
Sure.
not
Sure.
sure how much
Definitely.
I know about that.
Yeah. What I'll do is like I'll ensure that you are not at all aware of this. So, but you
Yeah,
have an advantage. That is what I can say.
yeah,
All right.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Parvati, over to you.
Hi, sir. I'm also same from the same project where Yogesh is from, CTS, and 1 year of experience.
All right. All right.
Yeah,
Okay.
same as what.
Good, good, good.
Okay,
So,
thank you.
all right, thank you, thank you. All right, so myself, I'm Srikanth. So I do have almost 13 years of experience in under the same stream of SAP Security and GRC, and worked with different technologies also. Along with security, I do also have experience in auditing, HANA Security, S4 HANA Security, Theory, BobJ, BW. So lot many systems of securities we have been implement and do the experience around it. So not many projects, lot many. In and around, I have did almost 15 to 16 projects, completing both the upgrades, implementation, and the support. So yeah. So looking forward with the good energy. I would also have the same support from you both of them as well, so that so you will get to know, and I'm very positive about like you will also get to know the same, and